Imagine discovering that everything you believe might not be as solid as you think. That moment, Socrates calls it the beginning of wisdom. The Socratic Method isn't about winning arguments or proving someone wrong. It's about one crucial thing: seeing your own thinking clearly. Socrates used simple questions, avoiding lectures, guiding people to realize something profound. They thought they understood concepts like courage, justice, or virtue, but upon closer examination, their ideas crumbled. This moment of realization, where you question your knowledge, is called aporia, bewilderment. Yet, for Socrates, aporia isn't failure. It's a gateway to growth. The Socratic Method helps clarify what you truly mean. Test your beliefs, expose contradictions, and refine your understanding, not through answers given, but through discoveries made. If you're seeking true wisdom rather than just knowledge, this ancient tool is where your journey begins. Most of us wander through life feeling we comprehend concepts like courage, love, or justice. But when we pause and take a closer look, those beliefs can crumble, revealing unseen gaps. Let's explore courage. Many say, courage means not being afraid, which seems right. Until we ask a simple question: can someone feel fear and still be courageous? Think of a soldier or a firefighter, and suddenly, that definition falls apart. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's acting rightly despite it. Now consider anger. People often say, I'm just an angry person. But what if we ask, has there been a time when you responded calmly? The moment they recall even one instance, their belief begins to dissolve, leading to a richer understanding. This is the magic of the Socratic Method. Not argument, not lectures, but asking the right question at the right time and watching an entire worldview shift. So why does the Socratic Method still matter, even after thousands of years since Socrates roamed the streets of Athens? The world has undoubtedly changed, yet the human mind remains remarkably the same. Each of us carries beliefs we've never thought to question, ideas that silently shape our choices, emotions, and even our very identities. Socrates encourages us to pause and ask ourselves, how do I know this is true? With that simple yet profound question, our old assumptions start to crack, and clarity begins to shine through. In this transformation, confusion gives way to understanding, and mindless habits evolve into conscious awareness. In this enlightening series, you'll discover the tools Socrates wielded to awaken the citizens of Athens. If you're eager to think more clearly, choose more wisely, and live more intentionally, then join us for episode 2. Your examined life starts now.